It's because of the phone. Mm. iPhone. I take a picture of you. Ngithi solo valid. I found you, beautiful and sweet. I've never knew that someone looking for me. Oh, tell me that you pepper on the ground. Listen to my letter. I'm not sorry, is not bad. You deserve it. That you know how nights. Nights. Tonight. Because of that fun. Face reveal. I'm just kidding. I already saw my face a long time ago. I just started posting it. I don't know when I started posting, but I already have 6 subscribers because I like making shots. I like making movies. So guys, don't mind my cousin. Cousin, I go. See y'all.